Hey guys, it's Brigitte with San Diego Seed Company, and today I want to talk about transition seasons. So we're in mid-August right now, and it's kind of a tough time because we're enjoying the summer, and if you're in zones 10 and 9, your tomatoes look great, your peppers look great, but it is starting to cool off a little bit. So everybody's asking me, what do we need to start from seed? Well, as you can see here from my seed table, we've got a plethora of things. We're doing our third round of tomatoes, of succession planting, our third round of corn, but we've also got some cool season stuff that we're working on, like our beautiful Portuguese kale. So the reason why I want to talk to you guys about this is because so many people wait too long to do their cool season planting and then they miss out. So right now you can start all of your cool season stuff like broccolis, cabbages, cauliflowers. All you need to do is provide them with a cooler environment. So if you look around, we're doing our seed starting under the shade of this beautiful jacaranda tree. That's allowing us to keep these cool enough to get them growing. All right, so rather than waiting, guys, get your cool season crops started now so that you can enjoy them during the holidays when you have all that family at your house.